In a quiet town, there stood a giant oak tree, older than anyone remembered. Willow and Arlo often played beneath its wide, shady branches. One afternoon, Arlo's shoe caught on something hard beneath the dirt.
Willow, look! There's something buried here.
Together, they carefully dug around the object with their hands. Slowly, an old rusted metal box appeared beneath the soil.
What do you think it is?
Carefully, they lifted the heavy box out of the ground. On the lid, faded letters spelled, "Open in 50 years."
It's a time capsule.
Willow gently brushed away the dirt covering the rusted latch. With a soft creak, the old metal box slowly opened. Inside, they found an old photograph, a folded letter, and a small map. The photograph showed 3 children standing beneath the very same oak tree. Willow unfolded the letter carefully. Her hands were trembling with excitement.
If you find this, follow the map to our secret place. The map showed a path leading from the oak tree into the forest. Let's follow it.
They walked together along a narrow path through tall green trees. The map led them across a small wooden bridge over a gentle stream.
The map shows a turn near a big gray rock.
They found the large gray rock exactly where the map showed.
Beyond the rock, hidden vines covered something tall and wooden. Look!
Behind the vines stood an old, weathered treehouse, forgotten by time.
This must be their secret place.
Carefully, they climbed the old wooden ladder up to the treehouse. Inside, dusty drawings covered the walls, made by children long ago. They loved this place so much. In the corner, they found a small wooden sign that read, "Friends Forever."
I think we should fix this place up again. Let's bring it back to life, just like before.
Together, they cleared away old leaves and gently repaired loose boards. Slowly, the little treehouse began to feel warm and alive again. That evening, Willow and Arlo returned to the giant oak tree. They carefully placed the old photograph back inside the box. Beside it, they added a new photograph of themselves, smiling brightly.
Someday, Someone else will find this too.
They buried the box gently beneath the oak tree's old roots once more. As the sun set, the ancient oak tree stood quietly, keeping their secret safe.